So I'm here with Grace Sadowski, and we're in Wylie, Texas. And, so I wanted Grace to have an opportunity to introduce herself.
Hi, Ron. Thank you so much. It's so great to be here with you today. Yeah, as he said, my name is Grace Sadowski. I'm with Core One Real Estate. My brokerage office is based in Farmersville, Texas, but I actually live here in Inspiration in Wylie, Texas.
Fantastic. And Grace, how did you get started in real estate?
Well, I've been in real estate about 4 years now, and I'm a second-generation realtor. My mom got into real estate when I was in high school, and she actually owns a brokerage in Idaho, an independent brokerage. So I was blessed to be a stay-at-home mom for much of my adult life, and then as my kids grew older and it was time for me to explore going back to work, it was a natural fit since I've loved buying and selling my own properties, and I just love the process of helping people and being involved in something as personal as homeownership.
Fantastic. Thank you.